Hello, my people. It's your one and only sister, Eri. Yeah, you guys are. I'm so happy to see you guys today. Wanna know me? Hey, I beg. Darling, no. Mama, they greet you now. Wanna well done, my people, my love, my people, my one and only people. And I appreciate you now. I don't go lie you. Every day I dey appreciate una, no matter say mama Nkechi dey carry wahala dey come, but I dey appreciate una. More una no mind this my makeup this morning. Today I stand up, I say make I show una say, you understand, nothing dey happen, we dey gidigbam. You understand me? So my people, more una no mind this thing wey dey here, no mind am. I say no say sometimes na so the thing dey come. You understand? So but more una no mind this my lipstick and my wrapper and the everything my girl wey I tie today now. You know say this my girl today na one in town. Abeg, wetin I dey wan tell una o. This mama Nkechi sometimes so im head dey normal sometimes im head dey catch fire. So but I no go blame am. You know say wetin woman dey see sometimes for house, sometimes im go tire, sometimes we go tire, sometimes we no go tire. I no blame am, but im wahala too much o. Mama Nkechi wahala too much o. I dey pity for mama Nkechi because the way im husband go carry ogiri kpam carry come inside now na big problem o. Me I no go lie for now. Mama Nkechi husband don go carry ogiri kpam. You understand? Gonoka go konoka. Na im go carry come o. But I no understand Mama Nkechi don come here cry. Na me I say make I stand up tell una today. Me I no know wetin I go tell am o. I tell am say you know say sometimes I pity we wey be women we dey suffer. We dey house o, but the man go carry the thing come. Mama Nkechi say na the thing just dey do am for body somehow. Na him say make him go, you understand, make him go see doctor. Doctor come tell am say this one don enter o. Mama Nkechi come house come dey tell me say make him tell me o, say because he like me, say me I tell am if you say me I dey make shakara sometimes for am, but he wan tell me wetin dey happen. I come tell am say wetin happen. Mama Nkechi come dey tell me say na so the thing go do am e go dey sweet am like say if him dey waka sometimes e go dey sweet am I tell am say he don carry gonoka. I say ooo, abeg make una help me o, know wetin I go tell Mama Nkechi o. Because if you see Mama Nkechi now, Mama Nkechi say he don tire. I tell am say make he no tire, that is life. You understand? That is life sometimes, you understand? I dey pity for Mama Nkechi, but if you see Mama Nkechi now, Mama Nkechi just dey think, I dey pity for am. You understand? Because of him husband go, you understand? You remember, husband go get one chick for outside. You understand me? See that kind of thing. You understand? He don go carry gonokan go come give him wife. Him wife now dey cry day and night. I no know wetin me I go tell am o. As I dey now, I no know wetin I go tell Mama Nkechi. I just dey here. I no know me I tell am. And I tell am say make he go treat himself and with him husband o, make two of them go, because no be say if he treat himself finish, him husband come back na so he go take am idagam. So make him kukuma treat himself together o. Na so Mama Nkechi say okay o, he don hear. I no know wetin I go tell am, but Mama Nkechi dey say na so this one, him husband don use mess finish am for house every day o. Say this one na so he go dey mess and na the mess dey smell too much. I tell am say I say your husband sef wahala too much sef, wahala too much. I tell am say my own wahala dey o, nobody wey no get him wahala o. Na if you carry am come out, na so I tell am. Everybody get him own problem for him own family o. Na if you carry your own come out, na people go see am o. I tell am say me sef I get my own palava for my own house, but no be everything person go dey talk for outside. Na so me I tell am say everybody get their own problem. Na so Mama Nkechi say say this one dey mess like say tomorrow no dey o. If dem dey sleep like this, na so e go bang pew. And you know the mess wey be say you mess like this, you no go hear the high-tech sound. You go just come out like breeze. You know say na that one dey bad pass. Na so I tell Mama Nkechi say that one the husband don finish you o. You have to go and take better take treat yourself very well, because e don give you enough disease inside mouth sef. He say, ha, my sister, make you help me see this man o, make you help me see this man o, this man wahala too much, wahala too much, wahala too. Na so I tell mama Nkechi, e don happen for you. She say the time when my own dey happen, e dey laugh, e dey laugh. Why I give my oga agbo make e drink when my oga wan finish me, na you dey laugh me. E don dey start now. He say, my sister, if na agbo for better, say na in the night he no dey feel, if he do me no fresh air. I tell am say this one na finish, you don finish. I tell am say abeg, no be say I dey laugh mama Nkechi, but I dey tell am say make e take am suffering suffering. Na so we dey see for the marriage o. Na suffering suffering, na person wey never know anything no go understand. But make him take am suffering with him husband, na small 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 small. So na so men be. There's time for happy, sometimes there's time for sad, but you go dey use your brain dey small small. No be say you go carry your own come outside. Everybody, if you dey have, if your husband do anything, no be say you go carry the friend wey baby. No, because sometimes the friend wey dey even dey tell him own problem sef even bigger than your own. So your own be say you go panji am, dey bear am, dey pray God make my husband to change. Anything wey he dey do for secret or for no secret, let him change o, by fire by force. Na so you go dey pray for your husband. Na so I tell am o. Na so I tell mama Nkechi say, go and treat yourself before you go start dey do okoti junction. You know those okoti junction? That one wey be say you go dey inside market, the thing go dey do you winning. You no go know as you go take dey scratch am, because people too full for there. Na so you go use the idea dey do like this, like say dey waka one kind waka. Na so you go dey waka one kind waka. So you have to, I tell them mama Nkechi, before you go start okoti junction, abeg mama Nkechi, go and treat yourself o, before you go dey shout o. Okoti junction, person no go hear word o. And if you dey scratch am, you go dey sweet, izarara izarara izam. Na so you go dey scratch am. I say mama Nkechi, go and treat yourself o. Carry your husband 12 na go hospital. Treat yourself. Tell your husband ngwa, if you say you wan do, buy that one for am, give am. Abeg, anywhere wey you dey go, make you put am inside him bag, or if him dress finish, you go put am inside him bag. So if you look him bag, you go see the thing okpu nyabe wey him go use. No be say if him come back, him go carry the thing dey go dey give another person. So you go put am for am. Him conscience go dey judge am. One day him go change. As he dey give am that okpu nyabe, him go know say, this my wife, why you give me? If you want to make it kukuma use that okpu nyabe, so if you come out, no be say you come carry the same way come give me. You understand? Na so I tell mama Nkechi say, na true I talk o, na true I talk. I tell am say I don tell am. I say nobody wey no get him own problem. Me wey dey as you see me, say my own problem dey full for my head. So your own problem, say I tell am say your own is na small. So you no know the person wey go tell you your own problem, your own even better pass am. You understand? Na so I tell am say make you pack well o, pack well. Na so I tell am. I tell mama Nkechi, go treat before you go stay okoti junction, before you go dey go scratch the thing. Na so I tell am o. Abeg, now I say make I come tell una. You know say una be my people. Any good or bad, I go tell una. I no wan hear whether good or bad. Me and mama Nkechi get, I go tell una o. Una dey there, una go judge am. You understand? Abeg, I dey help una o. I dey help my people for Igbo YouTuber. I dey. God go bless una one by one o. You understand? God go bless us, all of us, for that Igbo YouTuber. And for my beautiful Igbo, the beautiful ladies in YouTube. Oh, my people. God go bless una too o. More blessing to una. More blessing. Yuka, my one and only sister. God go bless una. Christy Akadike, God go bless una. God will bless all of una. Chioma Kitchen, lovely kitchen, Chioma Kitchen. God will bless una. I dey hello una. Evermom Kitchen, I dey greet una. I dey greet una. Mori Jackie, I dey greet una. From Cameroon, I dey greet una. I dey greet another one, my wonderful and my sweetest sister, Ima Reru. I dey greet you. God will bless you. Okay. Thank you for everything you guys are doing for me. The ones I remember and the ones I don't remember. Ugo family, my one and only sister. Oh God, God bless you. From Edo State. I dey greet you, I dey hear you. Now your sister Evi Media, they hear you. God go bless all of una for me. Okay, thank you for everything and the many things and the ones wey I no remember, but I still dey remember some. Oh, I dey remember some. Naomi, God go bless you. Your one and only sister, Abuja, Nigeria. God bless you. God bless all of una for wetin una dey do for me. My body dey do porina porina. I say make I throway salute for una. More blessings to you guys. Enjoy yourself.